Hey guys, that should be better. Yeah, I think that's better. A lot more light in here now. So this morning, I am getting picked up, and we're gonna go, if I could talk, we're gonna go and set up a fireworks stand and run that bitch. Yeah, I keep looking on the other side of my camera for some reason. My thing's over here, not over there. Anyways, so I'm getting picked up. We're gonna go set up her boyfriend's booth, and because she got all the fireworks in early and it's supposed to rain this week, we gotta hurry up and set everything up and get it inside so it doesn't get rained on. Obviously, wet fireworks, no go. So yeah, so it looks like she's on her way any minute now. So scratch editing there. I might have enough time just to move some folders over real quick. I was hoping to get this stuff finished downloading, but doesn't look like it. Anyways, yeah. Gonna go do some fireworks stuff. Alright, so it looks like she's almost here. I'm going to let this finish transferring over, and I am going to go drop my phone and stuff. I'm gonna go get ready. This means I gotta unplug that from that. Let's get some socks shoes on. I don't need you to be looking at me this whole time. Alright, well, she's here, so let's go out and greet her. Let's get this show on the road, huh? So here we are, guys. We're gonna set up, we're gonna throw a tarp over the RV there so it doesn't leak so much, and we're gonna head over to our site and do the same thing there because it's supposed to rain pretty bad. So we're gonna set up and then get everything on the road. See you guys shortly. Here we are. We decided to stop at a McDonald's. We're about 16 miles away from our stop. Sounds like someone just hit me up on the messenger. Yeah, we're about 16 miles from where our fireworks stand is. We just set up Slanders. We got the tarp up. I didn't take any footage of us setting up or the after effects because my battery's pretty much dying. But yeah, no, I'll hook it up and I'll get us setting up. When we get there, all we really got to do is just like throw a tarp onto our trailer. And that's really about it. I don't know what else I'm gonna film there except for I guess us setting up the fireworks booth, and that's probably won't be till like tomorrow and stuff. Probably get some editing done today. Other than that, Just to hang out, really. With the cat in the back. I know he's in a kennel. Hi. Hi. He hates it in there. He absolutely hates it in there. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Everybody, so we just made it to our fireworks stand. And it's kind of about an hour drive from the last one we were at, and that one was about an hour drive from where we were before that. But yeah, so you can see we're in a nice little farmland. Kind of go back this way and see the rest of it, some more of it. But yeah, where's it? There it is. There's our fireworks stand. There's the one we're gonna be working at. There's a little extra one. It's gonna be cool. And if I don't know if you can see them from here, but we got cows over there. Oops, I'm dropping the phone. Here, let's switch around so you can. Moo. Moo. Yeah, so we got cows. That's the thing. But here in a minute, we're gonna start setting up. I'm gonna start doing the tarp over that. We start setting those up. That thing. I gotta remember it because it's all backwards. Anyways, yeah, let's come on. Well, we got our tarp and stuff done. So you can see, we got two little fridges there. We got a little tarp for the rain. A little trailer that we're gonna be staying in for the next 2 weeks. It's gonna be nice. In fact, see, look, there's the 2 fireworks stand. We got the tractor right there because we're completely on this guy's farmland. I mean, this place is huge. I mean, here, let's switch it around and give you guys a view. See, there's our fireworks stand. Here's where we're gonna be staying. A beautiful, beautiful sunset. And all of that Americana. They're like cows. Hi, cows. Moo. You guys go and become tasty, tasty milk and burgers one day. Look at all this Americana. And then a beautiful sunset. Look at that sunset. Isn't that pretty?